Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch DIY. Today's project, we're getting out oil stains in your driveway concrete and asphalt. Stick with me and I'm going to show you how. There is nothing more frustrating than when you have a new driveway and you end up getting oil stains dripping from your car, whether it's oil from the car or transmission fluid or whatever it may be. It will stain and you cannot get it out of the concrete. So I'm going to show you an easy way to do it that it's pretty inexpensive and it works really good. These are the only things that we're using today. You've seen me use this before. This is the Calyptus 50% vinegar, and I'm going to leave a link in the description down below for everything that I'm using today. But this is a Calyptus. You can get it right off of Amazon, 50% vinegar, and it is a multi-purpose cleaner and degreaser. Now, the spray bottle, all I'm doing is a concentrate of 50% of the 50% vinegar, and then the other is water. And then we're just gonna use my power washer. Now, for the soap area, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually use the Calyptus as well, but we are going to just put straight vinegar into the soap dispenser. And I'm just gonna fill that up about halfway as well. Put the cap on it, and now we're just going to use the pressure washer and the vinegar inside. Now, the spray bottle, what's the spray bottle for? Well, let's first take a look at all of the mess that we've got. So you can see we've got oil all along the road here, and so there's concrete and asphalt, so there's oil out here. But I also have the oil spills up here in the driveway as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this vinegar in the spray bottle, and we're just going to spot treat the oil with this first. So we're just going to spray a bunch of this stuff on it and let it start soaking in before we hit it with the power washer. So anywhere you see this oil, we're just going to soak all of this. So all of this stuff here, we're just going to soak completely with this vinegar. This here is a fresh oil stain. So we got some really good stains here. We'll just let that soak in for about 10 minutes and then we'll come hit it with the power sprayer. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with the power sprayer, but we're gonna hit it on the soap setting and start soaking it with the soap, which is mostly vinegar. All right, so we're just hitting it with that soap section, with the soap nozzle, and we're just gonna soak everything again with this vinegar solution. And then I just recommend letting this sit for an additional 10 minutes to just give that vinegar a chance to eat up that oil. I'm gonna flip on the power washer. Okay, you guys, it is the next morning and I just wanted to show you kind of the update. It will take a little bit of time for all that oil to kind of dissolve with that vinegar, but I just wanted to show you how good it actually turns out. So all of that stuff, not to worry, just be patient, it will come out. So you can kind of see how it turned out up here on the driveway as well. So there you have it. It was pretty simple, pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next project.